So here's how to make money on Sproutgigs, formerly Pico workers. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss out any of the important steps. So first, what you need to do is sign up for a Sproutgigs account. For this, you have to open Google Chrome. Now type Sproutgigs and press Enter. So here's the Sproutgigs website. Click on it. Now what you have to do is to click on the Sign Up button to create a free account and begin making some money. Doing so, you'll land on this page where you must fill out your real name and email address, create a password, enter your nickname, and select your country. Next, select I'm a worker and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy before clicking on the Sign Up button. Here you can see that they're asking you to confirm your email so that you can get started. For this, open your Gmail and click on the email which you've received from Sproutgigs. Now click on this link which you've received. Enter your email and password here and click on Login. Now here on this page, first make sure that you are logged in as a freelancer. Now here, start browsing for microjobs. You can also earn money through showcasing your skills and selling your services by creating gigs, but for this, you have to become an advanced user. Okay, so click on microjobs and then click on Find Jobs. There are a variety of microjobs available on Sproutgigs, and they're very easy to do. Here are some of these jobs. You can complete these to earn money. You can also select any category that you want to and then click on Apply. Another way that you can make money on Sproutgigs is with surveys and offers. And one last way is by referring people to the site. So if you go to your profile and click Share and Earn, you can see here that you get a unique referral link. You can share this link and earn passive income through this link.